It's time to get social. Hello my friends, my name is Dragonheart, the Prince of Wales, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about the importance of social media. This video is part of my playlist, which is 30 Days to Become a Better Streamer. Check out the playlist on the channel. I also stream on Twitch. Check out the link below, Twitch/Prince Dragonheart. Without further ado, let's begin. So I use Discord, I use YouTube, I use Instagram, I use Twitter. They're the four main things I use. I don't use TikTok. I gotta be honest with you, I'm getting a bit old to keep up with some of the stuff. I don't use TikTok, I don't use Snapchat, but I do use the ones I've just mentioned. And the important thing for you is to use them the correct way. You shouldn't just spam your Twitch channel across all of these platforms, but instead you should use these platforms as intended. For example, this video that you're watching right now is on my YouTube channel. I've already given a shout out to my Twitch on the channel, so if you want to go and check that out, you can. I've also got all of my social medias and stuff listed in the description below. But this YouTube video is structured for YouTube. It's there as content for people to watch, to hopefully improve their stuff, and for me to hopefully grow my channel. It works both ways. That's how YouTube is kind of built, to grow an audience, to grow a channel, and to make easily digestible video content that people will hopefully enjoy. That's what we're trying to do here with YouTube. So that's what you should be using your YouTube channel for. But of course, cross-pollination is important. Having that YouTube element and move it across to Twitch, like I'm trying to do here, which you've just seen, you know, that's kind of the point of it. Twitch is for my live streaming. Twitch is there for me to stream and engage and play games for 3-4 hours at a time, and to interact with my chat and to communicate with people in the streams and to build strong bonds and friendships. That's what my Twitch is there for. My Instagram is there mainly for me to show off pictures of my cats. I put a lot of cat pictures on there, and I've also put a lot of photos and videos of me doing some exercising on my treadmill, and I've also put some videos of me dancing to Britney Spears while making food in the kitchen. Make of that what you will. Twitter I use mainly to network with people. It's also there for me to kind of speak about things that I enjoy. It's quite good, Twitter, because you can follow trends, you can retweet things that you like. There's a lot of football things I get involved in, a lot of gaming things I get involved with. It's a good place to build communities and to build relationships with people. I have a lot of streamers on my Twitter that I talk to pretty much every day. I have a friendship circle on there that I talk to on a regular basis as well. So Twitter's pretty good for that aspect of things. And that ties in nicely to Discord, because Discord I find is probably the nearest one to Twitter compared to all the other ones. Discord's good because you can set up your own private server and you can have an invite link and have people join it. You can have bots and stuff set up on your Discord. You can create chat rooms and stuff, so you know, if you want to put like funny pictures and stuff in one chat room, general chat in another chat room, put in video links and stream links stuff in other chat rooms, you can do that and organize it as best as you can. But you can also use Discord to join other people's Discords themselves and get to know them on their servers, or join community group servers and stuff like that. But Discord's pretty good from that point of view. But the point of this video, as you've heard and seen from my demonstrations from the past couple of minutes, is that there's a lot of different useful ways you can use social media. I mentioned that I put cat pictures up on my Instagram. That's something that's away from my streams. But then if somebody likes my Instagram pages and stuff and realizes that, oh, he does quite a lot, this Dragonheart sounds like a pretty interesting person, his cats are cute, blah de blah de blah, it's nice to see he's into fitness, I'm quite into that sort of thing as well. And they dig deeper and find out I have a YouTube and a Twitch. The chances are I might have won them over through that other content. I haven't won them over by being a streamer or a YouTuber. I've won them over by my cats or my other interests outside of this bubble of streaming and YouTubing. You need to use the social media to push your other interests and your other activities, but ultimately they all represent you and they all tie back to you. Think of it like when you were in school and you'd have like a brainwave or a brain chart or whatever it's called these days, where you have the little cloud bubbles and stuff around the sort of whiteboard or blackboard, and you'd have something at the figure of that, or the center of that, and lines pointing to it. You're that figurehead, you're that one in the middle. All the content comes back to you, but all of these different platforms all tie in. Social media is super important. if you're hoping to grow your Twitch, because this series is about streaming, but it applies to all the other things I've mentioned as well. If you're hoping to grow your Twitch, you need to be able to use those other platforms to full advantage. You need to have them displayed on your Twitch panels. You need to make reference to them every now and again when you are streaming, but you need to use those platforms effectively and as intended. If I was constantly putting stream links on my Instagram and constantly doing that on Facebook and constantly doing that on Twitter and constantly doing that, you see where I'm going with this, it would get boring, it would get repetitive, and people would just won't take any interest in it at all. They would just turn off straight away and just ignore me or unfollow me or unsubscribe from me on whatever platform that I'm on. But if I make interesting content to do with other things on these different platforms, then they can all tie in and come back to you as the content creator. And if they like that aspect of you on Instagram, or that aspect of you on your Discord, or that aspect of you on Twitter, the chances are that they might dig deeper and see the whole package and go, actually, this guy's quite funny. I do like what he's doing on Instagram. I'm going to go and check him out on his YouTube. They come to my YouTube. Oh, actually, he mentions he's got a Twitch. I wouldn't mind watching a bit more of him. He's quite funny. He's quite genuine. I quite like this guy. There's something about this guy or this person, this girl, who I actually enjoy hearing about or watching or whatever. So the point of this video is social media can be a really, really strong tool. If you're not using them in your Twitch channels at all, then you're doing yourself a disservice. Make sure you have some sort of social media and use it correctly. I'm not saying go and get everything. Like I said, I don't have a TikTok myself, I don't have a Snapchat, but I do have Discord, I do have Twitter and Instagram. There are many platforms out there you can use. Use what you're most comfortable with and try to push them as intended. Anyway guys, I've been Dragonheart, thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.